Hey Siri, play new No Pros RC.
Okay.
No Pros? What in the hell is this? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we have here today is an RC 360 rally car Thunder Tumbler. I have never have I ever seen anything like this before. I see 4 wheels and then I see what looks like a wheelie bar on the back of the vehicle right here. So I'm assuming this thing can do all kinds of tricks and twists and turns, and it even looks like it has a light on there. Yeah, so this should be interesting. I forget where I acquired this. I think I got it at auction, but I don't remember. Thought I had 2, but I must have given another one away, because it would have been kind of cool to have 2 of them, you know, run together. But yeah, we got this one. As you can see, it has the clear wheels. Well, okay, I'll take that back. As you can see, it has chrome wheels with the clear tire look. I have never seen anything like that before either. So this one is a 27 megahertz, and you can run with 2 people on a different frequency of 49 megahertz. Of course, it's battery operated. Recommended for ages 6 and up. So yeah, I qualify to run this even though I am a no pro. Yes, rotates 360 degrees on a single wheel. Whoa, on a single wheel. How the hell does it manage to do that? We have a fully functioning wireless radio control. So I'm assuming you got up, down, which is forward, reverse, and left and right. Unlike that other little RC that was a disappointment to me. You can check out that video. Should be popping up right now if you choose to. But yeah, and of course I just told you it comes in 2 frequencies for competitive racing. But we only have 1 of these, so we just have to make do with what we have. Let's just go ahead on and unbox this RC and see what we got on the inside. And there, right there, you can see the controls that I pretty much just told you about. We do have reverse, but it looks like you can do reverse with both the left and right stick, which I assume gives you some kind of you know, stunt or whatever. You got the forward. Looks like you can push them both forward as well. Spinning, you push the left up, right down. What else we got? Action button. What does the action button? Oh, the action button looks like it utilizes that wheelie. And as it mentioned on the box, you can indeed go forward with both sticks, reverse with both sticks. You don't. So I lied. You don't have left and right control. It's either up or down, and I'm guessing to make a left turn, sort of like a tank, you would push like this to go, I believe maybe left, and then go like this to go right. We will discover that when we actually take her out and test her. And here's this little action button right here. And on the rear you do see that 27 megahertz, and it doesn't look like a whole bunch of wire ties and rubber bands is holding that down. If that squeaking noise irritated you guys, I'm sorry. It gave me a little goosebumps as well. But it can't be helped. So let's get rid of that. And let's put this right here. The different patterns and the wheel itself, not understanding why they didn't go with the same theme there. That's kind of interesting. I mean, none of the wheels match. The front wheels are different from the back wheels, and the back wheels are different from the wheelie bar. This reminds me of like a pair of roller skates. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure what this is. Um, you have no kind of protection bumper in the front there, so if you hit something, um, your tires will be taking the full brunt of the force. Batteries go in there. So let's take a look at that compartment inside, shall we? And once you release these two latches, you reveal this here, which is for four, count them, four AA batteries. For the receiver, I'm thinking this is going to be, yeah, 9 volts. Yeah, there you have it, the Thunder Tumbler. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video for the actual real world test review to see what this guy can actually do. So you want to make sure you're subscribed to our Instagram channel, no.pros.rc, so you know when we're going to drop a new video. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and click that thumbs up button, and also hit that post notification button so you know when we drop a new video. So the next video you will see after this video will be of this guy in the real world. All right, so you don't want to miss that. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you are following us on Instagram so you can know when we drop a new video. With that being said, I thank you all for taking your valuable time to watch our video. We really do appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends about us that might be interested in RCs. We want our No Pro community to grow, and we need your help to do so. Subscribing is free. Just click that button. As long as you have a Google account, you can subscribe for free. It costs you nothing. All right, y'all. We appreciate your support as always. And till the next video, y'all be easy. Peace.